Okay, hello everybody. So today, first of all, I apologize for being away for a week. It's been a little bit of a confusing time, so my apologies for the lapse. But I'm back, and I have a great idea for you guys. This is something that came up often. It's one of Barry's really beautiful moves, as though there are any that aren't. Let's have a look at it. It goes like this, and you can do this on a two, flat two to one. All right, D7. Here's the move. The D flat seven. Okay, and so let's break it down really quick. Let's try to explain it in Barry theory terms to the best of our ability, and then look at some examples of where to apply it. And again, you guys are great with the suggestions. I was so blown away last time. So by all means, drop in the comments where you think this will work. Okay, I have a couple of things that I thought of, but my guess is it's going to pale in comparison to the suggestions I'm going to get from you guys. Okay, so D7, you're going to play the root seventh and root third and seventh, and then you're going to do. It's kind of like a C augmented triad on top of that, and Barry calls it the augmented 11, and he talks about how he stole this chord from Tommy Flanagan, and he just takes it. Ooh, I did it wrong, but he just take it up in half steps. And this is a really great exercise anyway. Okay, so now what we're going to do, we're going to immediately go to a D sus, which is a C6 here with G is the drop 2. So we've got C sus, and then there's a diminished that goes with that. Right? A C6 has a B diminished, or an A flat diminished, or D diminished or F diminished. They're all the same. And then I'm doing D7, so and then I land on a D7. So it'll look like this. So here's my augmented 11. Here's my sus. Here's my diminished. So I'm kind of taking some voices out so that I can have some common tones in between. So that's version number 1, where you just come up the line. Okay, another one you can pop up and do a kind of nice little melody up here. Add the E on top, so you end up with the D augmented 11, the sus. Here's our diminished. I let go of the C here in the left hand. So I've got D, A flat, and then double E's with a B. And then G sharp changed to A, B changed to C. Here it is. And then down a half step. Okay? And then the other one is I'll follow the diminished with the bass. Okay, you have to be careful of the middle voice up here, but you should follow the bass. So it looks like this. Right? And again, doing it with this is optional, but it's another nice version. Sorry. Okay, so that's the move. So what are two places that he uses it and he shows it in class? So one of them is in everything happens to me, you know. I make it beat for God. And here's our constant structure augmented 11th chord. I guess I'll go through life just and here's the move. Never miss a thing. Diesels and numbers. Every time I play an ace, my drums. I guess I'm just a fool. I'm trying to do the other version, you know. So that's a beautiful place for it. Another place that he sneaks it in is at the ending of Round Midnight, you know. So he'll go. He does this kind of like a rumba beat on it. I got the melody wrong. And here it comes. Okay, instead of the F sharp minor 7 to B7. I guess I have to finish it now. No matter how much I practice that, I can't get it totally straight. But those are two places. So I thought of some other places that it might be nice. I figure a slow blues, let's say an F. And here it is. Can I do it here? So yeah, you could do it on a blues a couple places. Green Dolphin Street, it's in the song practically. Here it is. Oh, I messed it up. Out of Nowhere. Let's try it again. Try the other version. Yeah, the bass works on there. flat 7. And then there's another nice place on the bridge to what is this thing called love. So I saw you there one wonderful day, and here you took my heart and threw it away. That's why I asked the Lord. Okay, so that's my very brief exploration of what else can we do with it. And please, I love the suggestions. You know, it's very helpful to me too. And I also love all your questions. There's a few questions, great questions that I got that I promise I'm going to do a video on. I haven't gotten around to it, but I need ideas. So your questions are really wonderful. So don't be shy about asking any questions about some of the other videos. Other videos that are helpful for this one, maybe the 6-chord rules and the 10-chord routine. Which will help you see about how to superimpose a 6th chord over another chord and then how that interacts with the diminished. Yeah, please like, subscribe, and share. And if you want to support me on Patreon, I sure would appreciate it. That's patreon.com/Isaac Raz. And I think I'll drop a screenshot of the transcription of this as well. So I hope you guys have a great time. It's a very hopeful time, and hopefully music will get us through. And really appreciate all of your interactions and your viewing and your questions, and it really is wonderful. So I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks.